From a cold winter night to a glorious spring morning, a golden beam of sunlight woke me up, the world adorning. The alluring scent of blooming flowers beckoned me to the enchanting garden. Butterflies so lovely in flight they soar, their colors and grace forever I adore. Birds soaring high, their songs fill the air, a joyful melody beyond compare. With those flowers I began to dance, what a magical trance! Their beauty and grace, a poetic romance. Spring morning, nature's grace, beauty surrounds in every place. A glorious spring morning.